So, my name is Dr. Triyugandar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Dairy College, Mahabad. So, today we are discussing the general characters and classification of algae for first year students, for first sem. So, the term algae means what is a word? What word to comes from which language? Latin. Seaweed. Algae means seaweed was first introduced by Linnaeus in 1753. So meaning the hepatitis A. The hepatitis A word is it is also first used by the kind by the algae. The algae comprise of large heterogeneous assemblage of plants which are diverse in habitat, size, organization, physiology, biochemistry and reproduction. The size, physiology, pigmentations, reproductions, and also biochemical structure is different in different group of organisms in algae, which are 11 classes are classified based on the locomotion, pigmentation, and reproduction and nutrition. So it is an important group of Thallophyta. So the first, the total plant kingdom which classified the two subkingdoms. Phanerogams, first one cryptogams and second phanerogams. The cryptogams are also further divided into the Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. So this Thallophyta is thallus-like organisms. Do not differentiate the root, stem and leaves. The plants are totally green in color. Autotrophic thallophytes is called algae. Heterotrophic thallophyte is called fungi. It is an important of thallophyte group. The phytum plant, the primitive and simplest division of the plant kingdom. The orderly systematical study of algae is called phycology or algology. The study of algae is called phycology or algology. Also called a seaweed, also called a algae. So this is also called a autotrophic thallophytes. Autotrophic thallophytes. So the algae are a chlorophyll containing primitive plants. The chlorophyll all is also green in color. Few species are parasites. So remaining all is called autotrophic organisms. So both prokaryotic and eukaryotic with a wide range of thalli starting from a unicellular to multicellular organisms. Unicellular to multicellular, only single cell. Autotrophic, which can manufacture their own food, and thalloid plants' bodies are also found in bryophytes. Autophytic, which can be manufactured their own food. So do not. So the thalloid plants or bodies are also found in a bryophytes. సో ఈ ఆల్గే అనేది ఈ క్లోరోఫిల్ కలిగిన ప్రాచీన మొక్కలు ప్రొకాటిక్ మరియు యుకాటిక్ రెండు విస్తరణలోని ఈ కణం నుండి బహుళ శివులార్ కణాల నుంచి ఏర్పడతాయి. ఆటోట్రోఫిక్ అనేది స్వయం పోషిత థాలోఫైట్స్ అంటారు. ఆహారాన్ని తమకు తామే తయారు చేసుకుంటాయి. అంటే ఇది నిర్జీవ కారకాలు. అంటే ఇది ఇనార్గానిక్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ డిపెండ్స్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ద ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఓన్. ఇనార్గానిక్ is sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. So this is also so that definition of algae. The definition of algae is given by some phycologists are Fritsch. First one Fritsch, second one Smith, then Fritsch F. The three scientists who are reporting the definition of algae. So Fritsch defined algae as the halophytic organism as well as there are numerous colorless derivatives that fail to reach the higher level of differentiation characters of the Archegonia plants. So this is also differentiation fail reach the higher level. Higher level means so which one name the lowest to highest number of plant organisms. Smith so defined algae as a simple plants with an autotrophic mode of nutrition. Smith ఏం చేసిన autotrophic అంటే స్వయం పోషిత ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రిషన్స్. సో దిస్ త్రీ ఆల్గే యొక్క కొంతమంది సైకాలజిస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన నిర్వచనం ప్రకారం ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఆల్గేను సో ఐలోఫైటిక్ జీవులు అలాగే వాటి రంగులోను ఉత్పత్తిని నిబంధించారు. సో ఇవి ఆర్కిగోనియేటం మొక్కల యొక్క అధిక స్థాయి భేదాత్మక లక్షణాలు తెలుసుకోవడం విఫలమవుతాయి. స్మిత్ ఆల్గేను ఆటోట్రోఫిక్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రిషన్ ఉన్న సాధారణంగా మొక్కలుగా నిర్వచించారు. సో distinctions are features, general characters. They are a photoautotrophic. Photo means light. All is a which observe the food materials, which prepare the food materials by inorganic sunlight. Totally depends on sunlight. So they primarily inhabit aquatic habitats. Large number of algae members are which can go inside of the water. That is called autotrophic and also called aquatic. The vegetative body does not show any differentiation into the various tissue systems. The Shakya Deha vegetative body is not differentiated to the root, stem and leaf, totally green in color, which is also thallus-like structures. That is called thalloid structure of plant body. They show progressive complexity in reproduction. They do not develop a embryo after fusion gametes during the sexual reproduction. So the embryo does not formation means it is a non-embryophytic organisms. Ranges in size from microscopic to single-celled organism to large seaweeds. Microscopic, macroscopic. Micro means which is observe invisible microorganisms. Visible microorganisms are there. It is called a large seaweeds. Invisible microorganisms are observed under the microscope only. Visible with eye, that is called microorganisms of algae. Many species occurs as a single cell, others as a multicellular. Single cell organisms, multicellular. Single cell organisms example is Chlamydomonas, Pandorina, Eudorina, and also the Cynobial colony is called Valvax. So this is also called. Algae cells are a eukaryotic cell structure. All cells are well developed, not bacterial structures. Study of algae is called a phycology. Cell wall is thin and rigid. Cell wall is thin and made by the cellulose and hemicellular substances. Modeli algae such as a Euglena have a flexible cell membrane called a periplast. Flexible membrane is called periplast. Cell walls of many algae are structured by a flexible gelatinous outer matrix. So gelatinous outer matrix are there. That is also called a pectin. The pectin is also dissolved into the water and is slippery in nature. So discrete nucleus is present. Only single nucleus are present. Inclusion like starch granules, oil droplets and vacuoles are present. Inclusions like starch. Starch means the food materials are present in the carbohydrates, that is starch. Oil drops are present. Chlorophyll and other pigments are also present. The chloroplast may occur 1, 2 or many per cells. They may be ribbon-like, bar-like, nettle-like or discrete discus. Chloroplast is also autotrophic. The photosynthetic pigments, which is a chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Also, that is called a chlorophyll containing plast, chloroplast. Chloroplast is different in shapes, which is also called a ribbon-like, bar-like, nettle-like, and also discrete or disc-like structures. So the algae are a chlorophyll-bearing autotrophic thalloid plants body. Thallus is also which is a special type of the structure. Almost all algae are aquatic. A number of algae which can grow inside of the water, that is called aquatic. The plant body may be unicellular or large, so robust or multicellular organisms. So the size of the organisms are different. Few species of algae is a microscopic, few species are macroscopic. Macroscopic algae is a multicellular. The multicellular complex thalli lack vascular tissues and also show little differentiation of the tissue. The multicellular complex, the thallus lack vascular tissue. Vascular means xylem and phloem tissues are absent. Also show the little differentiation tissues. The sex organs are generally unicellular but when multicellular. Unicellular ఏకకణ యుధమైన స్త్రీ పురుష సంయోగ బీజాలు ఉండవచ్చు, లేకుంటే They are multicellular అంటే బహుకణ. So all the cells are fertile. In most cases, in dairy structure does not have any protection jacket layers. So all sexual reproductions are, which is also called a fertile, means it can maybe it release of a sex organs or a gametes, male and female gametes are releases. సో ఇవి ఆల్గే అనేది దాదాపు అన్ని ఆల్గే లోపల జలచరాలు ఉంటాయి. ఇవి మొక్క లోపల చేరే పెద్ద బలమైన బహుళ శిలార్ నిర్మాణం ఉంటాయి. ఇవి బహుళ అంటే ద సెల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇస్ మల్టీ సెల్లార్. వ్యాస్కర కణజాలం ఉండదు. దీని లోపల దారు పోషక కణజాలం ఉండదు మరియు కణజాల యొక్క భేదాన్ని చూపిస్తాయి. లైంగిక అవయవాలు సాధారణంగా ఎక్కడా ఉంటాయి. అయితే బహుళ సెల్యులర్ అయినప్పుడు అన్ని గణాలు సారవంతవి ఫెర్టైలీ సెల్స్ ఆర్ కలిగి ఉంటాయి. సో ద జైగోట్ అండర్గోస్ ఫర్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ దర్ మెటాసిస్ ఆర్ మియాసిస్. So after zygote formation, immediately the zygote undergoes mitotic divisions or meiosis sometimes, but not through the embryo formation. The embryos are doesn't formation means non-embryophatic plants. Plants having a distinct alternation of generation. So both the gametophytes and sporophyte generations are when alternate to each other. Means haplodiploidic life cycle, diploaploidic life cycles. It is also true. So this is a main general features. Next one, occurrences of algae. The algae are ubiquitous, present everywhere. Everywhere means in the soil, in the air, in the water, in the on the wall, on the poles, every part. They are found in fresh water as well as in marine water, soil and rock are epiphytes or parasites or plants and animals. Parasites or epiphytes. Epi means on the plant. In hot springs, high temperature, desert, high temperature areas are also growing the soil. Permanent snow fields, but they mainly dwell in aquatic environment. Aquatic means water plants, water organisms are there. General features, general cat, thallus organization, cell structure, algal flagella, algal pigments, algal nutrition, photosynthesis, reproduction. That is general. First, thallus organization. Unicellular algae. Few algae are a total unicellular single cell motile with flagellated, like a Chlamydomonas and Euglena, or a non-motile like diatoms. This one is the figure. Occur in all groups except charophytes, phylum Chlorophyta and Phaeophyta. So rhizoidal, flagellated, sporofilaments and normal. That is thallus organization. Colonial. Second one, colonial mass. Means that is a group of organisms. Motile or non-motile algae may form a colony by aggregation of the products of cell division within a mucilaginous mass. Mucilaginous means chigru ante padadamto kavachi. A group of cells is embedded in the mucilaginous sheath. So this is also colonial algae. So synovial. So the colony is formed with a definite shape, size and arrangement of these cells. The colony is formed in a definite shape, akaram, size means shape, akaram, parimanu, arrangement of the cells. Example, valvas. Palmalloid, irregular arrangement of the cells varying in number, shapes and size. Irregular means the shape is also not the same. It can be changes. Varying number means number is also few group of cells is also 4, 8 or 16. The number is different. So the shape and size, Chlamydomonas and Tetraspora. Dendroid looks like microscopic trees due to the union of mucilaginous thread present at the base of each cell. Also called chrysoderma. Dendroid means look like a microscopic tree due to the union of mucilaginous threads. Mucilaginous threads are jointed to each other. That is called a chrysodendron. Rhizopodial colony means cells are united through rhizopoda, also called a chrysodium. So this is also synovial colony. Example, valvas and also daughter colony figures. Valvas means synovial. A group of large number of cells up to 5,000 50 to 5000 cells are aggregated to each other to form a mucilaginous sheath to living inside the colony. That is called synovial colony or group of the colony. So this one daughter colony. Then filamentous. See one filaments. Filaments means one above the other cells. The filaments are rectangular in shape. So daughter cells are remain attached after cell division and form a cell chain. So adjacent cells share cell wall distinguished from linear colonies may be unbranched. So the filaments are branched or unbranched. Unbranched, so such as zygnema and urethrics are branched. So regular, so also multicellate such as cladophore and regular musters also called pithophora. So cladophore and pithophora is called branched, and zygnema and urethrics is unbranched filamentous form. So this is also chlorophyll green algae. Sinusoidal or siphonoceous. One large multinucleated cell without cross wall, such as a watchery. The cross walls are absent. Parenchymatous, mostly macroscopic algae, with the tissues of undifferentiated cells and grown originating from a meristem with cell division, a three dimensions such as alva, cell structure. The cell, so eukaryotic characters in presence of cell wall organized nucleus and so membrane, so bound, so organelles like plastids, also called mitochondria and Golgi bodies. So as a intermediate from a card, so mesokaryotic occurs in a so dinoflagellaceae, which shows both the eukaryotic nucleus, nuclear membrane and chromosomes are also called present. That is called eukaryotic cell organelles. And prokaryotic characters are basic proteins and also absent. Some do not has two cell walls. Example euglena, so gynandrina, and passes a so membrane called a pellicle around a cytoplasm. Modeli, flagellas are passes a pigments, what known as a eye spot or stigma. Eye spot is the present, which is also seeing visible light rays. The cell wall is with mixed or carbohydrates and substrate like alginic acid, folic acids, so fusin and also hemicellulose present. Mitochondria, Golgi complex in endoplasmic reticulum is present. So only all cell organelles are present except glycogen and eye drops are absent in storage food materials of algae. This is also. Plastids are major present in the algae cells. So algal flagella found in all flagella except rhodophysi. The rhodophysi members are flagella are absent. The main function of flagella is called motility. So there are two types: whiplash or acronymatic, thin cell or pleuronematic. Whiplash means pass a smooth surface. So thin cell means covered by a fine filaments. Appendages called the mastigoma or filaments. Thin cell are divided into the three types: paranematic and pantonematic and astrostigonematic. Pantonematic mastoconemas are arranged in two opposite rows or radially. Two opposite rows are radially arranged. Pantonematic. So pantochromatic means pantonematic are flagella with a terminal fibrils. Only terminal sides of flagellas are present. Stigonematic means mastogonemas are developed only on one side of the flagella. Only one side of the flagella, terminal sides either sides. So this is a discussion. The thin cell flagella are divided into the three types. So algal pigments. Algal pigments means which exposing the colors. The blue-green algae, brown algae, red algae, green algae, all is a separated depends on the pigments. The distinct chloroplast nuclear regions and complex organelles. Thylakoids are grouped into the grana. Pyridinids are concentric over carbon dioxide fixation. while the chloroplasts are a alga. Pyrannids are not membrane-bound organelles, but specialized areas of the plastids that contains high level of a ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate and carboxylase. So the pigments are within membrane-bound organelles called a plastids. Plastids are present. They may be leucoplast and chloroplast. Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Three is called a plastids. So then the chromoplast means contain a chlorophyll A and B. Chloroplast. So chromoplast means contain only chlorophyll A. Leucoplast means storage food materials. Types of the chlorophylls 5, xanthophylls 20, carotenoids 5, and phycobilins. Chlorophyll is present in all, but xanthophylls are yellow-brown present in chlorophyll, but also phaeophyll. B carotene present in most algae. B carotene present in most. So phycobilins are a waste-soluble red color and a blue color that can be rhodophysic characters. So algal nutrition. So photoautotrophic and synthesis, their food from carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chloroplast. The four major components are which help to the preparation of the food materials in all aquatic plants of algae. Aquatic forms contain a carbon dioxide and water by diffusion and osmosis. Aerials obtains water from a damp substratum and carbon dioxide from air. So they also synthesis of oil and proteins from carbohydrates. Also synthesis also proteins and carbohydrates. Then food reservoirs. The food reservoirs are different types. Food materials are accumulated to the polysaccharides. True starch seen in a two algal divisions, chlorophylls and charophytes. Fluidian starch, food in a rhodophyta. Laminarin, food in a brown algae. And also euglenoid, found in a euglenoid. Leucosin, peculiar to xanthophyte. Basidiophyceae and chrysophyceae. Fats occurs in a reserve food and so appreciable amounts in the cell walls. Xanthophyta, Basidiophyceae, chrysophyceae. So this is food reservoirs in plants. Reproduction in algae. Most of the reproduction both sexually and asexually. Most of the sexual reproduction takes place by the gametes, also multi-zoospores or achaenids, also bulbils. Sexual reproduction is which can take place in three types: isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Reproduction in algae, vegetative cell division, fragmentation. Part of the fragments breaks off from the rest from the new ones. Sexual reproduction is also asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, three types. The sexual reproduction is isogamy and isogamy. Iso means both gametes have structurally function is similar to attach to each other to form a sexual reproduction takes place. That is called isogamy. Anisogamy means gametes have flagella but have dissimilar in shape and size. One gametes are distinctly smaller than other is also one bigger. Oogamy. So the gametes are with a fragile sperms. So flesh and a long flagellated gametes are egg formation. So this one is also the type of the three type of the reproduction: vegetative, asexual, and sexual. So the monoecious, dioecious, and homothallic, heterothallic species are there. Monoecious means both the gametes are produced by the same individuals. Now one individual thallus which produce have two types of the gametes, male gamete and female gamete is called monoecious. Dioecious means male and female gametes are produced by different individuals, male or female. Only one thallus which reproduce only one kind of six gametes, sexual gametes, that is called dioecious. Homothallic means gametes from one individual can fuse self-fertile. Self-fertile, homo means same. The two thallus are which can fuse to each other. Heterothallic means the gametes are from one individual can fuse to other individuals. Right? Two individuals, two gametes are fused to each other, that is called heterotelic. One individual, two gametes are fused to each other, is called homotelic. Conjugation. A special type of the reproduction of the entire cell serves as a gametes, and the cell content are transported positively between two cells, making part in a. It is also reproduction in eugonium, sexual reproduction. Eugonium, I know. So that is antheridium, eugonium. Antheridium means male gametes formation or sperms. Female gametes formation is called eugonium. The spores undergoes meiosis and produces four haploid gametes are present. These four haploid four gametes is called zoospores. Each zoospore is a one kind, male or female one. Then it is also hold fast attachment. Classification of Algae. Based on 7 major divisions are there. Natural and properties of pigments, chemistry of reserve food materials, morphology of flagella, morphology of cell and thalli, life history and reproduction, food characters and substances, cell wall composition. These all above the character features are based. The algae are classified into the groups or classes. So the famous botanist Fritsch 1935 classified algae into the following 11 classes based on the pigmentation, reserve food materials, flagellation and reproduction. The four major characters based on the pigmentation, movement, flagellation, reproduction. Four types. The four types of the character features are based. The total algae members are classified into the 11 classes. First class Chlorophyceae means important genera are Chlamydomonas valvas. Second one is Xanthophyceae. Important genera are Microspora, Vacheria and so Protocypina, Siphon. So Chrysophyceae means example is also Chrysophyceae. Basirophyceae, so this is Pinularia and Naviculata. Fricella or Fragillaria. So Cryptophyceae, Cryptophonas. Dinophyceae, so Peridinum. Chloromonidium, Vacheria, Vacularia. Euglena, examples of Euglena. Then Phaeophyceae, Phaeosargassum. Rhodophyceae, Polysyphonia. Mixophyceae, so Canophyceae. Example, these are all Mixophyceae means Xenophyceae, Nasdaq, Anabina. So Gliotrica, Gliocaps, all is also Nasdaq. All is called as Xenophyceae, except Xenophyceae is separated from the algae. Means Xenophyceae is a eukaryotic. Remaining all classes of the algae is called eukaryotic. So the phylum Rhodophyceae. The 4,000 species of red algae are present. Most are marine, సముద్రాల్లో పెరుగుతాయి. Smaller than brown algae and are often found in a depth of 200 meters. 200 meters plus, so it is a growing space. It is also majorly in a saying. Most are the marine forms. Contain the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D are well phycobilins, which are important in the observing light, so that can be percented or penetrated deep into the water. That is a present in deep inside of the soil to grow to takes place. That is red algae. Have cells coated in a carabinum, which is used in a cosmetics, gelatin, capsules and some cheeses. Red gram, red algae, gelidium and also acaris. Two type of the substance are prepared. The rhodophyceae means gelidium and red algae. So this is also red algae means. So rhodophyceacas, so Porcellus and Epicoria. This is also important. Xanthophytes walls with cellulose and pectin. Chlorophyll A, C and rarely so E are present. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and E. The three types of the pigments are present in Xanthophytes. Cellular storage product in so chrysalia. Flagellas are unequal in size, in length. Unequal. Two is also one is a big size of flagella, other is a small size. So both are only fission, does not fission out to each other only. So locomotor organs are present. Vacheria is a well-known member of this division A2 corpus. So this is also Vacheria. Bust the phylum Chrysophyta. Chrysophyta means predominantly flagellates. Some are amoeboid in nature. The amoeboid in nature, chlorophyll A and C are present. Amoeboid natures. Reserve food as a chrysolaminarin and their frequently incorporation of a silica. Characteristic color due to the masking of their chlorophyll by browning pigments. Reproduction is a commonly asexual, but at times of isogamous. This is also golden age of arch. This one is a Phaeophyceae. 1,500 species of plants which are algae are belongs to the brown algae, which is also Phaeophyceae organisms, mostly marine and included seaweeds. After the multicellular and large, often reaching the length of 147 feet. 147 feet is high. Individual algae may be growing a length of 100 meters, which is holdfast stripe and braid is present. Holdfast means it's a basic part, basal part of the thallus, which is present inside of the water or underground the water or bottom surface of the water. Used in a cosmetics and most ice creams. Many of them have a holdfast and is a bladder which give them buoyancy. Buoyancy means which float on the upper surface of the water. So brown algae also few species and Neospora. So this is also called so the phylum Basirophyta. The Basirophyte is a simple or aquatic animals. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C is present. Cell. So then shells of a diatoms are called fruit shells. Deposited so these shells from centuries of a growth are called diatoms. So these are the diatoms are present. Phylum Euglenophyta. The Euglenophyta is a which are only Euglena. It is 1,000 species of Euglenidae. Have a both so plant-like and animal-like characteristics. But plants and animals are both character features are mixed here. Euglena selvals is a so contact vacuous and fibers are present. Carrying a so photosynthesis and chlorophyll and also cardiac material are facultative autotrophs. So this reproduction is also longitudinal binary fission. So diatoms are so also cardiform. So this is an important phylum of Euglenophyta. It is also Euglena. So that's one also Chlorophyta. So this Chlorophyta having 7,000 species are there. So all green algae contains a chlorophyll here, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B sure, which is also total green in color. So both green algae and land plants so have a chlorophyll A so and a bill and to the so carotenoids and store food as starch. Carotenoids and store food present in the marine algae starch. Both have a smaller made up of a cellulose. The cellulose is made up of cellulose. Reproduction by sexual method and sexual methods. Green arch in this one. This one is Caryophycophyta or a biflagellate organelles. Cells are slippers shaped and filaments occur slightly. Some with a cellulose walls are other than hemicellulose. 1 to 2 plastids are present in the cell. So this is also phylum. Then Cryptophyceae, Denophyta, beneficial aspects. So what are the economic importance of algae? The economic importance mainly food for man, food for invertebrates and fishes. Animal feed, soil fertility, treatment of waste. So diatomaceous chalk deposits, phycoplates, agar-agar parts, drugs, and a model system of research and phycobill forms and fluorescent temperature. This is also main exam of a beneficial or beneficial aspect. So indicators are so role of a algae to indicate an environment. So indicator of a pollution, algae blooms can occur say with two the much nitrogen and photon phosphorus enter into the water. So algae are identified, sour, identifiably sulfated, ideally sulfated for water quality and assessment of the because they have rapid uh, their rapid reproduction rate and can be uh, water can be crystals, making them vacuolated or indicated by self-replicated parts. So algae uses as sewage. Sewage water means so dirty waters are converting the usable water by algae. Algae can be used as a treated both municipal and industrial wastewater is converting the use of substances by remediation. So algae play a major role in aerobic treatment, waste of the secondary treatment of the plants. So the anaerobic respirations are takes place. So means the gases are liquids are fuels and phases are filling the cylinders. Algae based nucleopia and water wastewater treatment. So it can be limits and also dendrites of the structures. So for nutrient removal of nitrogen and phosphorus, algae have the ability to accumulated file nave metals, heavy metals, and therefore because of the structurally different. So algae in filter plants. So algae is a scrubber filter water by moving water rapidly over a rough, slightly illuminated surface. So which causes of algae to start a growing large. As the algae grow, they consume nutrients such as inorganic nitrates and inorganic phosphates and nitrates, ammonia, and the ammonium, which are present in the algae. And all type of the minerals, all type of the elements are present in the algae, which is the best sources, best food for the cattle. Best food for the cattle. So algae role in a treatment of treating the heel problems. Alva can be used to treat goiter, reduce fever, ease pain, induced urinations and induces. So then it also called reduce the fever also curing. Codium, so it can be used by the treat urinary diseases treatment of codium. Codium is also treating the urinary duct, urinary diseases, and also called sargassum can be used to the treat so corviscel, lymphadenal and edema. So porphyria can be used to treat so goiter and burning chest or tongue listed enough. Giridium, so laxolite can be used to treat so tracheitis and gastric diseases. So very and there are so many algae members are which can be used to the preparation of the treatment of diseases. Harmful effect of the algae. Several species of a particularly an algae plants. So green algae are Cephalurhalis is a which is a parasite of algae. It can affect of the tea plants and coffee plants and causes of the red dust disease. So leaves of the tea, coffee, pepper causing a so considerable damage. Some algae have in a roots and fleshy parts of the higher plants, but not harmful. Roots inside the roots, which is not harmful. So then, so acrylic and produced by the unicellular algae in problems acts as a extra cellular inhibitions. It's shown by the so chemical analysis. Uh, some prokaryotic like algae are permanent axis with the help of the other algae. So this is also important portions for study of algae. In the general character, classification, economic importance, the three is the major headings for study of these particles.